Okay, so I think I had a starter motor problem because the car don't want to start, and this is the symptom. So I had ignition, but when I turn the key, you just hear that clicking sound. So now I show you how to remove the starter motor. So there is one bolt from this side of the transmission, that, so need to unscrew that, and there is one under. There is a 19 mil, and the second bolt is here. So this is the starter motor. Need these two nut and one screw, and this other bolt in yes, and this one. So you need to unscrew these bolts. So after you unscrew everything, it's gonna be, you just need to somehow take it off, and that's it. So this is the space where you can put back this starter motor. So you can put back here, and this is, I need my two hands, so I just show you that. So maybe you can see. Okay, so if you put back the starter motor, first put back this screw. Okay, so I put back the new starter motor. Now I'm connect the battery and try to start the car. So this is the moment of truth. So now I got the ignition and try. Oh la la! This was so easy. So check this out, guys.